Pastor Adeboye of the Redeemed Christian Church of God has warned that Nigeria might cease to exist before the 2023 elections and that the future of Nigeria remains uncertain. The clergyman said this while addressing the congregation in his church yesterday, November 7. Adeboye wondered why politicians have started making preparations, noting that no one should be certain about the future, stressing that only God knows what the future holds. According to the General Overseer, it is unwise and unsafe for anyone to say his ambition is to become president when the individual does not even know if he's going to wake up tomorrow. Adeboye further warned politicians to not get themselves all worked up trying to prepare for what they have no control over. He stressed that Nigeria might not even be won again or fail to be in existence before then because only God can determine who gets to be around or what happens in the year 2023. Pastor Adeboye also made mention of the high-rise building that collapsed in Ikoyi last Monday, leaving scores dead, including the real estate owner in charge, Femi Oshibono, who was recovered in the rubble 2 days ago. Adeboye consoled the bereaved family, stating that he knows how it feels to lose a loved one. Recall that the RCG General Overseer lost his second son, Dari, to the cold hands of death on May 4, 2021.